Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.34 Input Kick Substrate Front to Back Strip Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, kick is the location and front to back is the position. Kick parts are identified as sheet or strip. Side left and side right are referred to as front to back strip. Front and back are referred to as left to right strip. Sheet parts are structural pieces of material. Strip parts are small pieces of material used to join sheets and components together. Both front to back and left to right strips are the equivalent of angles, brackets, and corners used to join panels together. It must be emphasized that an important principle in this process is including every item in the cost workup. Time may be a consideration more important than the size of a piece of material. Every piece of material has to be entered to determine its effect on the cost. Strips can be any material including lumber, metal, and plastic. For this pedestal instructions example, plywood is the substrate material that the kick component is made of. Row 273 is substrate kick front to back strip. Enter $45 per sheet for 3/4 inch thick plywood in cell T273. When the price is entered in cell T273, the total material cost, 41 cents, for that piece of material is calculated in cell X273. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point, except while a macro is running. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.34 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.35.